Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral math question 9 plus 2 square into 6. So those who have already solved this, go and comment your right answer. I will give them heart and we will solve step by step with PEMDAS. As we know, with PEMDAS, parenthesis exponential will be given higher priority than the multiplication. So we will first do this operation. What we have write 9 plus 2 square. 2 square means 2 times 2 which equals to 4. So simply we will write here 4 into 6. Now in the next step 9 plus 6 into 4 which equals to 24. Now when we add 9 in 24 or 9 plus 24, what we get, which equals to 33. So here 33 will be the right answer. If you want more maths like this, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching, and go and check out in the description for best math book.